Hello students, welcome to Saurav Sir's classes. Welcome to Saurav Sir classes. In our today's video, we are going to talk about the questions which have came in GATE exam 2019. Yes, so we are going to discuss the questions of GATE 2019, and in this video we are going to discuss question number 1 and 2. So we are going to discuss two questions in our this video of GATE 2019 which came this year. So it's very important for all the aspirants of GATE, because you are getting the solution of this video of this question. You are getting full solution here in our video with complete explanation as well, complete explanations. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's move on and read the question. So the question on your screen is this. The question goes that for a balanced transportation problem with 3 sources and 3 destinations where costs, availabilities and demands are all finite and positive, which one of the following statement is false? So the question has been given and 4 alternatives have been provided to you, and you have to say that which of these alternative is not correct, that is, it is false. The options are: the transportation problem does not have unbounded solution, the number of non-basic variables of the transportation problem is 4, or the third option is the dual variables of the transportation problem are unrestricted in sign, and the fourth option is the transportation problem has at most 5 basic feasible solution. So we are going to discuss this question. So before discussing the question, let us first know what is a transportation problem. So let me write down something about transportation problem. What is a transportation problem? Okay, so the transportation problem is a special type of linear programming problem where the objective is to minimize the cost of distributing a product from a number of sources or origins to a number of destinations. So this is the definition of a transportation problem. Now we will be moving towards the question. So the question is that which of these option is not correct? The transportation problem does not have an unbounded solution. The number of non-basic variables of the transportation problem is 4. The dual variables of the transportation problem are unrestricted in sign, and the transportation problem has at most 5 basic feasible solution. So the correct option of this question is option number D. The transportation problem has at most 5 basic feasible solution. So This is the right option. Option D is the right option. So here we can write option D is correct. Okay, well, now this was our first question. Now moving on to our next question. Question number 2. Question number 2 is on your screens now. So first let me read out the question. This is question number 2. It goes like, let f AB, let me write it down. R the set of all real numbers be any function which is twice differentiable in AB, okay, with only one root a in AB, only one root a in AB. Now let f dash x and f double dash x denote the first and second order derivatives of fx, okay, it's simple, with respect to x. If a is a simple root and is compound by the Newton-Raphson method, then the method converges if we have got 4 options. The options are mod of fx f dash x is less than mod of f dash x whole square, then mod of fx f dash x is less than f double dash x, okay, f double dash x, f of x into f of f dash x less than here f of x to f of f dash x is less than f of dash x, or f dash x into f double dash x less than f x whole square in mods, or f of x to f of double dash x less than f dash x only. So these 4 options we have with us. Now we have to see that which of these option is correct. So let's move on to the solution part. Okay, so we know that f of AB belongs to R be any function which is twice differentiable in AB, right? In AB the function is convergent by the Newton-Raphson method. The Newton-Raphson method, if and only if this condition holds, fx this condition holds, fx f double dash x within mod divided by f double dash x within mod whole square is less than 1, that is AB. It means that fx into f double dash x mod is less than f dash x whole square, this condition. So it means Which of the option is correct? It clearly states that the option A is the correct option. This is our correct option, so this is the right option. Option A is right. Okay, now for those who don't know that what is actually the Newton-Raphson method, so let me tell you that what is a Newton-Raphson method. So Newton-Raphson method. So let me write down what is Newton-Raphson method. This method uses an iterative process to approach one root of a function the specific root that the process locate depends on initial arbitrarily chosen x value. So we can write it in mathematical form that xn plus 1 minus x of n minus f of xn divided by the first derivative of f of xn. This thing. This is the Newton-Raphson method in gist. Well, now I have discussed two questions with you people, and I hope you all understood these two questions of GATE 2019 paper. Okay, so we have discussed we have given you the full solution. We have discussed the theories as well. So all the things we have explained here in this video, but still if you have any kind of doubts or any queries regarding this video or regarding this explanation, then you have two options. Either you can call us or you can WhatsApp us anytime at this number 9836793076. This is our number. You can call anytime at this number, or you can visit our website as well. Our website is www.sauravsirclass.com. This is our website. You can visit this website anytime for any details regarding Saurav sir's classes. And if you like this video and you have watched this video, so thanks a lot from my side. Thank you, students.